The PC world is evolving. Just imagine, there is a bustling city in your computer. Data is traveling. Everything is running hot. The processor is the heart of this busy city, coordinating all operations therein. Here is the SSD. Every second, there is an enormous amount of data going in and out. Though the SSD is very fast, its capacity is rather limited. Let's take a look at another corner in the city. The hard disk used as your secondary drive has ample capacity to easily accommodate a large amount of data. However, due to the mechanical limitation, it is difficult to keep up with all the hustle and bustle. What if we could combine speed and capacity into one? Intel Core i+ platform is the solution. With the innovative cache function of Intel Optane Memory, it can easily break through the system bottleneck. Large capacity and high performance will no longer be on two ends of the scale. More importantly, it will be much cheaper than buying a large capacity SSD. So put your past concern aside. No need to worry about how big your gaming library expands. No more moving games back and forth between your SSD and HDD. The performance boost powered by Intel Core i+ platform lets you game smoothly and freely without compromise. The PC world is evolving. Your city is also growing. Intel Core i+ platform provides excellent performance on a reasonable budget. By accelerating your HDD to be as fast as any top-tier SSD, enjoying both large capacity and quick response is now easier than ever on a dual-drive setup. So, get ready for next-generation PC gaming setup from AORUS.
AORUS.